Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a failing AC condenser fan and it's time to replace it? When the AC condenser fan electric motor starts to fail, it can start to make all sorts of noise. It can make a whirring noise, it can make a rattling noise, it can make a squealing noise, and so on. Before replacing the AC condenser fan, make sure there are no objects or debris caught on the fan. Check for leaves, check for plastic bags caught on it, check for twigs, check for anything that probably got stuck on the fan. And also make sure none of the fan blades are broken or missing. The next time that you know that it is time to change the AC condenser fan is going to be burning smell. When the electric motor is starting to fail, you're going to hear a faint buzzing noise, and at the same time, you're going to smell that burning smell. And you might notice that the fan is barely spinning, and when the fan is barely spinning, this is going to cause the AC system to run poorly, and this can cause inadequate cooling. When the AC condenser fan completely fell, it's not going to work at all, and you're going to notice that the fan is not going to spin. At this point, before replacing the AC condenser fan, make sure you check for bad AC fan relay and fuse. Now I'm going to show you guys how a bad AC condenser fan sounds like. If you listen carefully, you can hear a metallic sound. And lastly, when a fan is already making that noise, there's a very high chance that the bearing is toast, and this can actually cause your fan to wobble. So when you rock the fan blade back and forth, you might notice movement. For this fan over here, it is moving slightly. I know it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but it is barely moving, about half an inch on both ends. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.